Hello, hope you're doing well. So this week we're going to be focusing on not just division, but division with remainders. What happens when you share equally and you still have some left over? So let's look at this first problem. Mr. Harrison has, so he's going to share them equally with 7 friends. How many Skittles will each receive? So let's create a unit bar, and this unit bar represents our 65 Skittles. But we're going to break this unit bar up into 7 parts because we have 7 friends. So if we think about it, well, we know we could share 5 with each friend. So if we share 5, that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So wait a second. So if I had 65, and I gave away 35, I still have 30 left. Well, we could share 2 with each friend. That would be 14. So 30 minus 14, so I still have 16 left. So couldn't I share 2 more with each friend? So, when I think about it, each friend received 5, 2, and 2. So each friend received 9, and I had a remainder of 2 when I was done. So each friend got 9, and then I had 2 left over. So maybe I kept the 2, or maybe I just put them off to the side. But that's how you could use a unit bar to do the division. Let's look at another sample. So let's say we had 73 M&Ms. We're going to share 73 M&Ms with 5 friends. So again, I have my unit bar that represents all of the M&Ms. But I'm going to break them up into equal parts with my 5 friends. So there's my 5 boxes. So we know we could give everybody 10. Because 5, 10 is 50. So if I started with 73 and I give everybody 10, I gave away 50 M&Ms, so I still have 23 M&Ms left. So I could give everybody 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So I have 3 M&Ms left. Wait a second though, but I don't have enough because I have 3 M&Ms with 5 friends. So I would say that, okay, each friend is going to get 14 M&Ms, and I'm going to have a remainder of 3. I hope this gives you a little structure. Again, the unit bars on your learning opportunity are there for you, except for on the last 2. The one you're going to have to design your own unit bar, and the other one you're going to have to fill in the number of bars you need to break it up. So enjoy, and we'll catch up soon. 5 Skittles.